This is an eyeshadow from Holika Holika, very matte toned, very grayish, slightly plummy color, very neutral, great for cool tone skin. And it's called Blush Gray, which is a little bit weird because, yeah, I guess it is it's got a pinky tone to it, so that kind of makes sense, I suppose. I find it in person, as opposed to on camera here, to have a very subtle plum color. It's a matte color, great for all over the eye shade, or maybe, depending on your skin tone, it could be closer to the middle of your eye. If you're a light toned, it could go further up and near the side of your eye. Just depends, but for me, it's a neutral all over the eye color. It's beautiful, very textured, buttery soft, not a lot of fallout on this, so I'm very pleased with that. The only minus point is that it's not very pigmented, so it does take a few sweeps to build it up. For someone who's on the go all the time, that is not ideal, and plus I know how to put on makeup, so I don't need this beginner-friendly palette as much. On the middle part of my eye here, this is the shade Blush Gray on my eye. I put this on the whole eyelid before putting on a darker corner color, and it's just giving a little bit of a very grayish, a little bit of a pinky plum cast. Yeah, I like it. Very soft. I didn't want anything very deep or strong, just something soft to even out the eye, and it did the job. For the price point, I think it's worth it.